Weep Grata, Weep Nini Bang. This is Ben, and we are going to be unboxing Battleslash from the Duocons from Power of the Primes. That's Battleslash and Roadtrap. Wait, does it actually say? Yeah, it says Duocon, Roadtrap. Torments Autobots. Okay, whatever. Really, again, this is flywheels, and these guys really should have been called flywheels because they have wheels and they can fly. Well, what? Skytread. No, wait. Battleslash. Roadtrap. Blah. Roadtrap? Battletrap? Never mind. They could have been switched around, I think. Okay. Anyway. Oof. Uncarding. Thought I'd like this guy, but he's like kind of fiddly. Maybe the copters. See where you can hide his Titan Master, dudes. Yeah, I can fit in the rotor. Pull you out. What's this? Instructions. Who needs instructions anyway? Toss. Over here. There. Shining. Okay, there's your card, and let's open it. Roadtrap. Sorry, Roadtrap had like packaged with his feet unproperly standing. How do I say that? Untransformed. Yeah. So let's see if this guy does it too. Out with you. Oh, did you hear that? Never mind. Nope, there's his feet. Little blue feet. Stand, you. How are you? Yeah. 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 Dirty white? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Woo! See, check it. Woo! No, you can't see it because it's going too fast. Slowly now. Alright. Can you look up? You should look up. No? Holy cow, detail on the face. The detail on the face. Yes. Hi, I'm looking at you. Okay. Weird placement on these things. For his arms. It's on the back instead of the side. Good approximation anyway. Short and squat. You are like a dwarf. A medieval dwarf. These are nice attachments in that. Okay, let's turn you to a helicopter now. Okay, so I know this is the rotors. Okay, I can look at the picture. Problem with this thing is some of these parts are going to be like part of the head. The Duocon guy. Do I need to split this? This is the front. There's a hole in the front. Does it? Okay, I'm gonna nerf. You go over here. You go over there. Oh, I think this one does. Go over there. Not go over there? I haven't done anything. I just struggled. What? Oh! I saw something! There! Good job. Yes, good for me. Okay, alright. So, what the fudge? Alright, this is gonna go like this. Okay, this is the top. Okay, I got the front right. I think this one goes here to blitz. Honk. What? Wait. Clippy. Oh, there's the new head. I can see the arms over there. Or am I getting the legs right? Do clips say this goes over here like this. Twirling. Push together. No? No? Yes. You wanna focus? Focus! Yeah. Okay. Alright, so if that's not symmetrical. Okay, this goes up. I guess this goes out. Folding back in there. Where do you tag in? Tab in, tag in. You may don't do this yet. I just need to put this on the front. What am I looking at? Picture over there. So it goes on top like this. Oh, it goes on top like this! Okay, I see it. Okay, just get out there. This is complicated, but doable. So I see some tabs. Are you gonna go like this? One of them has a tab. Probably fits over there. No? Maybe? No? The picture lets it look like this. So how do yes? No? Wait, double joints! So sorry, not shouting the thing. Double jointy thingy. Right here. But is it gonna click? Click, you! Holy cow, you're complicated. I know, okay, I got it. So this goes here. I'm doing it without the instructions. I rock. But it's so untidy right now. Need to tighten it out. Huh. Oh, look, all the slots go in there. Just have to adjust everything. Look at you. You're pretty cool. Okay. Yeah. Oh, well, it doesn't look that too cool as a copter, but I think I got this right. Landing gears. Wait, let me check the picture in the back. Doesn't really say. Sure it's pretty good. Yeah. I'm right. I think I did right. Woo! Okay, I got Battleslash down. Awesome. Just have to fix the bits. But nope, it's okay. Just fix the bits so that I can make him twirl just for the ending. Nope, not yet. Doink. Fine, never mind. It's okay. Twirl. Okay. Good. I think he's okay. Can you... Oh, we're supposed to put this guy over here. I found it back. Little slot for him. There. And that's Battleslash. Whoosh. Let's combine them later. Like, share, and subscribe. Did I need the instructions? No. See yes.